Hello students, this is physics session for class 10th and today I am here with the topic combination of resistors. Actually there are three main types of combination of resistors, but at your level there are two types of combinations are discussed. One is series combination, in this combination suppose three resistors are connected in series. So, the three resistors, it may be three or more, three resistors are connected end to end. Okay. So, when the three resistors are connected end to end, the combination is set as series combination. Okay. So, you can see it in the diagram. Suppose there are three resistors these three resistors are connected, let R1, R2 and R3. These three resistors are connected end to end and the combination is let XY. In this combination R1, R2, R3 are connected in series. This is series combination. In this, as you know, ammeter is always connected in series. This is battery. This is plug key. And now voltmeter is connected across the combination XY. Okay. This is plug key closed. You have to write positive and negative sign. The direction of current, now in this combination voltmeter is connected across the combination XY, means it is connected in parallel, and ammeter is connected in series. Okay. The direction of current is from positive to negative terminal, like this. Okay. So, this is combination of resistors in series. Okay. So this is series combination, and you can see how the resistors are connected in series along with ammeter and voltmeter. As you know, ammeter is used to measure the current in the circuit, and voltmeter is used to find potential difference. Okay. Now you can take a screenshot of it. Now another type of combination is parallel combination. In this combination, the three resistors R1, R2 and R3 are connected between two points X and Y. So let us see this in diagram, how three resistors are connected in parallel between the 2 points X and Y. Suppose these are three resistors R1, R2 and R3, and these three resistors are connected between the 2 points X and Y. So you can see all the three resistors have common point X and Y. So this type of combination is called parallel combination of resistors. And now in this combination, ammeter is connected in series, and this is battery, this is plug key, this is plug key closed, and this is the direction of current. Okay. Now this is positive terminal of ammeter and this is negative. Voltmeter is always connected in parallel with this combination XY. Okay. So how to connect it? Now the voltmeter is connected across the combination XY, means voltmeter is connected parallel with this combination, and ammeter, battery and plug key, all three components are connected in series. Okay. So, this is combination of three resistors in parallel. Okay. So, there are two main types of combination of resistors: series combination and parallel combination. In series combination, three resistors are connected end to end. Okay. But in parallel combination, you can see all the three resistors have two common points X and Y. Okay. Now, you can take again a screenshot of it. Now, let us see what happens to the current when three resistors are connected in series. Okay. So, the related question is, with the help of an activity, show that same current, so that when three resistors are connected in series, same current passes through each resistor. Okay. This is the question. How to show that when three resistors are connected in series, the same current passes through each resistor. Okay. So, let us perform an activity. So, first of all, we connect three resistors in series like this. Okay. R1, R2 and R3. The combination is XY. Okay. In the combination XY, these three resistors are connected in series. Now, connect an ammeter in series, an ammeter, a battery and plug key, all in series. Okay. Now, you can see in this diagram, three resistors are connected in series and ammeter, battery and plug key. These are connected in series with the combination X and Y. Okay. Now, first of all, what we will do? Close the key and note the reading of ammeter for current. Okay. Now, after that, remove the ammeter from circuit and connect it between R1 and R2 resistor. Suppose the ammeter is removed from here and it is connected between R1 and R2 resistors. Okay. Now, again close the key and note the reading of ammeter for current, and similarly remove the ammeter and connect it between R2 and R3 resistor. Okay. And now close the key and note the reading of ammeter for current. Okay. So, what do you observe? You will find that when ammeter is connected between R1 and R2, it gives the same current reading as when it is connected in the circuit. Similarly, when we connect our ammeter between R2 and R3, it again gives the same current reading. So, from this activity, we can draw a conclusion that when ammeter is connected anywhere in the circuit, it gives the same current reading. So, what do we find out from this activity? That when three resistors are connected in series, same current passes through each resistor. Okay. Suppose here the current reading is 2 ampere when the ammeter is connected in the circuit, but when the ammeter is connected between R1 and R2 resistor, again we observe that it gives the same current reading, that is 2 ampere. Okay. And similarly, when we connect ammeter between R2 and R3 resistor, it again gives the same current reading, that is also 2 ampere. Okay. So, from this activity we can conclude that when three resistors are connected in series, same current passes through each resistor. Okay. So, in series combination, the current remains same and the same value of current passes through each resistor. Okay. Now, you can take a screenshot of this portion. Now, let us see how can you explain this activity. First of all, connect three resistors in series in the combination XY. Okay. In second step, now connect an ammeter a battery and a plug key. All in series, all in series. Okay. Now, In the next step, close the key and note the reading of ammeter for current. Okay. Now connect the ammeter between any two resistors and note the reading of ammeter for current. Okay. Now in the next step, in step 5, what do you observe? Okay. You will observe that the ammeter gives the same current reading wherever it is connected. Okay. So from this activity, we conclude that in series combination of resistors same current passes through each resistors. Okay. So now this is the all about this activity. Now you can take a screenshot of this. Now, I would like to close this class today, and we will discuss some other important topics in the next class. Thank you, students.